Good evening, Smriti ma'am. Good evening, dear. May I know who's the new one here?
Good evening, ma'am.
I hope I'm audible to you all.
Yes, ma'am, you are
Yes, ma'am.
audible.
Smriti ma'am, am I audible to you, dear?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible to me.
I can't hear you. Just a moment.
Am I audible?
Hello.
Yes, Smriti ma'am. Sorry. There was some
Uh,
glitch in my laptop. Yeah, tell me. How are you?
yes, I'm fine. I was asking if I'm audible now.
Yeah, now you're audible. Earlier there was some glitch, so I wasn't able to hear.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
dear. Yeah. So who are the other ones here? Please, can you give you a bit of introduction? Good Pratap sir. Can you please unmute yourself, sir? Ma'am, Harjinder ma'am.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. My name is Harjinder Kaur. Recently, I completed my graduation,
That's great.
and I'm from Haryana, Sirsa.
Great, great. Good.
And I, my exam will on 23rd.
Okay, you have already booked your exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Okay, so this is the first time you are attempting, right?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was in the last batch which is attended by Arena, ma'am.
Okay, Reena ma'am was your mentor. Okay, okay, fine,
Okay.
great. Yes, good Pratap sir. Please, can you unmute?
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening.
First of all, sorry for background noise.
No worries, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So my name is Gurpratap Singh, and I have done my graduation, and I have already give my first IELTS, which is which was not successful.
Okay.
So I am looking for second, and I have booked my test for 6th November.
For 6th of November?
Yes, ma'am. 6th of
Okay.
November.
Great, great, great. We'll really make it this time for sure.
Hopeful. Thank you.
And definitely, sir. Definitely, we'll do that together. Okay,
Okay.
Rimpi ma'am, can you unmute yourself?
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening. Yes, dear. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Say about you.
Great. I'm good. So, you are appearing for IELTS for the first time, dear?
No, ma'am. Actually, I did it one time.
You've already appeared once. Okay, fine, fine. All right. So, fine. I
Ma'am,
think
sorry to interrupt in between, but I
go ahead.
just want to say कि अगर जब भी आप वो speaking task करवाओगे, so हम वो cue card के साथ बाकी भी आप करवा दोगे practice.
I'm sorry, couldn't catch you. What did you say, dear?
I'm saying when we are going to do that cue cards and
Ji, ji.
speaking, so can we do that another parts also?
Huh, definitely we'll do that. Smriti ma'am, you have
Actually,
booked your exam? Yeah, surely we'll do that.
no, ma'am. Actually, I want to book the exam, and I am assuming that I'm weak in the two of the modules, that is writing and mostly in the speaking. राइटिंग में इम्प्रूवमेंट है बहुत ज्यादा, पर स्पीकिंग में अभी भी आपको पता है कि मेरे को थोड़ी सी क्यू कार्ड में फंबल हो रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग करेंगे और मैं जरूर पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 का ना हम कुछ स्केड्यूल कर लेते हैं कि जैसे मंडे
Sure.
में पार्ट 1 कर लेंगे.
मैम एक्चुअली मैंने सिर्फ
तो डेली
5
होगा
डेज
ही.
एक्सटेंड करवाया है बस, तो मेरा 5 days ही है और।
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No worries, Printi ma'am. We'll do that.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, as in for now, we'll begin up with the writing task 2. Otherwise, it's a reading today. Do you guys want to? We are going to do 3 things together, right? Writing will be either 1 or 2. Today, it's writing task 2 that we'll be doing. Secondly, we'll be doing speaking mandatory every day, and we'll be doing reading or listening alternatively. So today it's your reading, writing task 2 and speaking. तो आप क्या पहले करना चाहते हैं आप वो बता दीजिए, तो हम लोग वही शुरू कर लेते हैं. You want to do speaking first, so we'll go for speaking. Otherwise, writing task 2 is there before you. We can do that.
I'm speaking.
Speaking से शुरू करें?
Speaking.
चलिए, speaking से
Speak.
शुरू करते हैं. Can you guys see the task?
Yes, ma'am.
Describe a journey
Yes.
you went on, and you should say where you went, why you went there, what you did, and who was with you, and explain why you liked or disliked the journey. So the question is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, question is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm giving you 60 seconds dot, and after that, I'll ask you to speak. All right. May I please request all those who are new, like Harjinder ma'am, Gurpratap sir, Rimpi ma'am, can you just drop me a message with your name in the group itself so that I may feed your number?
Sure, ma'am.
Thank
Sure,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, only name or
Yes, 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 yes. Only name. I just want to save your number. That's it.
in WhatsApp or here?
On WhatsApp, for sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Good evening, lovely ma'am. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm good. I'm
Great.
doing the assignment which you just said, na, in the late evening.
Yeah, yeah.
So can I just finish with that because I'm having
Yeah,
my
no
speaking in an.
worries. No worries.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Anytime, dear. Okay, so I've got the numbers. 5463 is Rimpi ma'am or Gurpratap sir?
Ma'am, my number is last digit 234.
25463. Okay, this might be Rimpi ma'am then. Okay. Done. So giving you another few seconds to work onto it, and then I'll ask you to speak. All right, so ready? Who's going to initiate?
May, ma'am.
Gurpratap sir? Yeah, sure.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, firstly, my audio is audible.
Yeah, you're audible, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, I'm a big fan of traveling, so I always planning for traveling new places. So here I want to describe a journey of my best ever, and it's related to my last weekend journey, which is not too large, and I went that went that Amritsar city, which is really beautiful and great place of Punjab. And apart from it, it is a really small journey for me, because I am belong to city Gurdaspur, and the distance of Amritsar is really strong throw from my house. So I went to that place with my friends last weekend, and I really enjoyed it. Lots of due to its lots of facilities as well as places are really eminent all over the world. For example, Golden Temple, Durgana Mandir, and many others. And so I want to come on my main topic, that I visited with my boon companions at their place last weekend, and I enjoyed lots of things. Firstly, I visited to a Golden Temple, and after that, I visited visited a Durgana Mandir, Jallianwala Bagh, and we tasted lots of cuisines from there. Some are traditional, some are international. Apart from it, I think it's a great experience for me, because I really like each and everything of that place, because it is a stick and a span place, and it also provide a diverse type of opportunities for shopping as well as watching movies. And there are lots of malls surrounding that city, as well as I think there are a big street market in the city, which is a really eye-catching place for
Thank you,
every.
Gurpratap sir.
Okay, thank you.
So I have shared your recording with you on your number.
Okay.
I'm going to grade you 6.5 for what you spoke today. Could have been surely better. आपका flow ठीक था sir, लेकिन एक clarity बहुत जरूरी है. क्यों जरूरी है clarity? क्योंकि जब वो record करेंगे, देखो आपको एक speaking के time पे speaking task के time एक तो वो होंगे सर जो आपके सामने या मैम जो आपको सामने से आपको सुन रहे हैं आपका
Yes, ma'am.
speaking task है
Yes,
ना,
ma'am.
और दूसरा
Yes.
आपका रिकॉर्डिंग होगा और रिकॉर्डिंग भी कोई और सुनेगा.
Okay, ma'am.
तो फिर रिकॉर्डिंग में आप दिख नहीं रहे हो, आपका फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन दिख नहीं रहा है. तो अगर हमारा क्लैरिटी ऑफ साउंड नहीं होगा तो इट विल बी वेरी टफ फॉर द अदर पर्सन टू असेस यू. असेसमेंट जो है वो दोनों की मिलके आपकी स्पीकिंग की असेसमेंट बनती है.
Okay, ma'am.
तो ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हम एक सेंस ऑफ क्लैरिटी के साथ बोलें.
Okay, ma'am. So you want to say that the story of my cue card is not clear. Am I right or not?
What did you say? I'm sorry.
Sir, sorry, ma'am. I want to say that your concern of my speaking part is that my story is my story is not in the flow.
No, your story is in flow, sir. Clarity in a sense कि आवाज की जो clarity है, sir.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am, because ma'am, I'm on the work, so that's why I say that.
Okay. Fine.
Sorry,
No
ma'am.
worries, sir. मैंने ना ये वाला speaking आपके साथ group में share किया है. तो अगर आप
Okay.
चाहें तो you can re-share your content with me and I'll reassess you. No issues about it.
Okay, ma'am.
मेरा
Okay,
कंसर्न
sir.
ये जरूर है सर कि हमारा पहला तो होता है कि 60 सेकंड्स ही मिलेंगे, वहां पे 60 सेकंड से ज्यादा नहीं टाइम मिलेगा. उसके बाद 2
Yes,
मिनट
ma'am.
हमने बोलना है.
Yes, ma'am. I know. I have
Yeah,
already
I know
given
that
that.
you have been through, so you already know that. But
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी. तो
Okay.
वो तो आपको है ना क्लैरिटी है. दूसरा ये कि मेक श्योर दैट यू आर वेरी क्लियर इन योर वॉइस,
Okay, ma'am.
है ना, वो बहुत जरूरी है.
Sure,
तो
ma'am. Sure.
yeah, I'll share some cue cards with you guys, some more cue cards with you guys. So as जो भी क्यू कार्ड आप एक बारी देखते हैं उसको बस 60 सेकेंड्स के लिए देख के साथ में ही आप बोलने की कोशिश करेंगे, ताकि आपको पता चले कि आप कितना क्विक उस चीज को प्रिपेयर कर पाते हैं.
Okay.
Right? All right. Who is going to go next now?
Me now, ma'am.
May
Ma'am,
I?
may I?
Just a second. Sorry. Yes. Who's this?
Ma'am.
Anyone from us?
Samriddhi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sure.
ma'am. May I start now?
Yeah. Go ahead. Begin.
Okay. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak on this topic. So, I have went on the journey this year in the month of June to the Jaipur, which is known to be the pink city of India and also one of the largest state of Rajasthan. I was planning this journey with my family from last 2 years, but this year I have got the chance to visit this place. So I have visited many places. This place was actually the one which I can say has given me the immense pleasure to visit this place. I have visited forts which were commendable, and there were many people who were visiting that forts or monuments from across the different states or also the different countries as well. Each fort was describing its own story, and we have hired the guide over there which can let us know about the story behind those forts. So when I was listening those stories, and that was giving me the a clear picture of the past, which what type of life they had spent in that fort or monument. I was planning this trip with my family, as I have mentioned. So uh, sorry, I have visited each and every market with my family just to explore their tradition, their jewelry, their handcrafts, the clothes they wear, and the fabrics. The fabrics were so good, so beyond my thinking. They were so good. I have spent a lot of time with my family, but this trip was I have enjoyed a lot each and every moment with my family. This is the best thing I have done in these 3-4 years, because I have visited many of the places in last 4 years. But this Jaipur, I should say, it has Rajasthan cuisine is the best thing which one I recommend to my friends and my relatives to visit
Thank you,
once
Smriti
in.
ma'am. Good one. I'm giving you 7. Actually 6.5. कुछ एक errors
Okay.
थी. I mean
हम्म,
liberally देती तो मैं 7 दे सकती थी, but मैं liberally नहीं देना चाहती.
नहीं
Have
नहीं
के
ठीक
साथ
है
third
मैम.
form of the verb आएगा. आपने कहा have went, have gone,
Have gone. Oh, yes,
है
yes,
ना?
yes, yes,
I have
yes, ma'am.
visited many places. I have visited many places. जब
Okay.
many आ गया तो plural आना चाहिए ना. उसके बाद
जी
आपने कहा
मैम.
I have hired, we have hired. We have hired नहीं. जब हम past की बात करें तो had आना चाहिए,
We had hired. Yes, correct.
है ना?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Rest was fine. The entire
Okay.
content, the way you spoke was good. The storyline was
Okay.
good, and
Okay.
everything's fine otherwise. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Who's going to go next now?
Ma'am, may I?
I'm sorry, I need to check who's this. Yes, dear.
Ma'am.
Harjinder ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
just a moment. Yes, dear, let's begin.
Okay. I love traveling, especially in summer days, because summer days are too big as compared to winter days. But here I'm going to talk about a journey which was very memorable for me. And I traveled to Chandigarh because it is a big, very famous for shopping, and it was very far from my house. I started my journey at the morning in 5 o'clock, and I reached there almost 11 o'clock. And in the middle of the traveling, I stopped for a refreshment, and that restaurant was not very big, but it was very interesting and very beautiful. And I take took one cup of tea and some snacks. After that, when we reached there, and I did lots of shopping. Firstly, we are very hungry, and we went in a restaurant and take some lunch, and it was really very delicious. And the service was also very good. And we after that we went in the big mall, which is just situated in the Chandigarh. It was a very famous mall, Elante, in which I did lots of shopping, and I also had lots of opportunities and options to purchase something. So that journey really was very useful for me and very beneficial for me, because I saved my money for big discounts. So after that we came back from there in the night, and it was really very interesting journey for me, and we enjoy a lot in the summer vacations. And we also enjoy my favorite cool things like sandwich, cold drink, ice cream. So I think this was the best journey in my life. I cannot forget in my life.
Fine, Rajendra ma'am. Giving you 6.5 for this. Content ठीक था, उसमें कुछ इतना गड़बड़ नहीं था. टेंसेस में गलती थी, वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. जैसे आपने कहा, I began my journey in 5 o'clock, at 5 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? फिर आपने वी और आई में फंबल किया. अगर आप ज्यादा लोग गए थे तो फिर आप ज्यादा को ही रेफर करो. अगर आप अकेले गए थे तो आप अकेले को रेफर करो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप अकेले नहीं जा सकते हो. तो फिर
Yes,
आई
ma'am.
स्टॉप्ड, यहाँ पे वी स्टॉप, है ना. दो अलग अलग चीजें बीच में नहीं आ सकती.
Okay, ma'am.
एक ही चीज में आप रहेंगे. उसके बाद आपने कहा वी आर हंग्री, वी वर हंग्री,
Okay.
है ना. When
Yes,
we
ma'am.
reached Chandigarh, we hit to a restaurant. I was very hungry. We were very hungry. है ना. Past का reference
Yes,
आएगा.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We went in a big mall. नहीं, we went to a big mall.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना. Then we came back at night. In night.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Right was other was fine. The storyline was good. I'm very happy that you guys are really coming up with good ideas. So
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, all the best for the next. Okay.
Ma'am,
So who's
Ben's
going- Yes, dear.
band score, ma'am.
Band score I have given 6.5.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Anytime. Who's going to go next now?
Mummy.
Rimpi ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's begin.
Well, I have done a lot of journey in my life, but here I talk about my particular journey, which I enjoyed a lot in my life. Actually, the journey was we went into Chandigarh with my college friend. Actually, we was free from our final exams of the university, and me and my friends planned to go for any journey to get a relaxation from study. So we decided to go for Chandigarh, and there was a near New Year. We started a journey at 5 o'clock in the morning, and after 3 hours we reached at the Chandigarh. And for a break, we stayed at the Aroma Hotel, which is in 22 sector, and where we enjoyed the amenities of the hotel. After 1 hour, we went for a lake, which is very popular in Chandigarh, and where we enjoy our boating, where we were enjoy our boating. And apart from this, we went from a big mall, which is Elante Mall, and there were a lot of shops, and we did some shopping with the discount because New Year. And after that, where we took some pictures and we eat some meal, and after that for lunch we back to went in the hotel where we did the lunch, and also took some pictures, and in the
Thank you,
night
Rinki
we reached at
Thank you, dear.
home, and it was an amazing journey for me.
Thank you, Rimpi ma'am. I'm giving you 6, Rimpi ma'am. Pronunciation errors थी, grammatic errors थी. जैसे आपने कहा, we went in Chandigarh, we went to Chandigarh.
Okay, ma'am.
फिर आपने कहा, we was free. We decided to go to Chandigarh because you wanted to say that you were free and you wanted to relax. So we was free नहीं, we were
got
free.
free.
We were free, right? We decided to go for Chandigarh nahi. We decided to go to Chandigarh,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Then you said we reached, I don't know what you said, but आना चाहिए था, we reached Chandigarh. Fine. We reached at Chandigarh, आपने कुछ ऐसा बोला था शायद. Right? उसके बाद आपने लेक के बारे में जिक्र किया, but you did not spoke the name, you did not share the name, which is perfectly fine, no issues.
Sukhna Lake.
है ना, हम सुखना लेक के बारे में बोल सकते थे. We फिर आपने बोला we eat some meal, है ना? We ate some meal.
Yes,
Ate. Second form of
Past.
the verb आएगी, past reference आएगा,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Okay. So who's going to go next now?
Ma'am, how it was?
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, speaking how it was.
I'm sorry, Rimpi ma'am, what did you say?
Ma'am, speaking बारे में पूछा हुआ, how it was.
It was fine, sir. It was fine, Rimpi ma'am. थोड़ा सा pronunciation errors हैं, grammatic errors हैं, हम उसको correct कर लेंगे. जब daily होगा, daily मैं मतलब आपको assess करके बोलूंगी, तो obviously है ना, जहाँ जहाँ गलतियाँ वो correct हो जाएंगी. Otherwise, it was fine. To begin with,
Okay.
it was fine. Yeah. ठीक है जी. So I think we are all through with the speaking.
Ma'am, can I do that?
Loveleen ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Just give me a moment.
Sure.
Yes, dear. Let's begin.
Well, in my life, I've been through many journeys, but my latest journey which I went is we went to Uttarakhand in the month of January, and this journey with my family members, in which my relatives are also there. We went to Nainital, and when we went there, it was not in our plan that we will go to many other places also. But when we reached there, we have decided that we have 7 days with us. So we have planned like this way that we are going to other places also to visit. When we reached to Nainital, we have seen a very famous lake over there, that is Naini Lake. And as I'm afraid of water, I'm waterphobic. So my kids, they were doing boating there, and I was taking photographs with them. And in the night, we have a very beautiful dining hall over there, in which we have enjoyed a very tasty cuisine over there, which was totally non-veg, as we all are non-veg lover. And after that, when we wake up in the morning, we were planning to move towards the Dholchina, that is very near to Nainital. But unfortunately, that day it was raining very badly, so we could not go on that day. So we stayed in the hotel only with my family and with my relatives. But we enjoyed a lot because we all were playing indoor games there. And with that, a bit conflicts were also there. We were fighting, we were enjoying, we were singing, we were dancing. So it was like a very great time, even though it was rain and we have to postpone our program to go to Dholchina. So next day we started with the journey towards Dholchina. and I was like, what type of place it is, because the name is very typical Dholchina. So what should be there? But when we went there, so the place was very beautiful, and it's a eco adventure park which is surrounded with a valley, and the natural beauty is like, I cannot explain that beauty, because it was mesmerizing and very, like, you can say unnatural
Thank you, Laveen.
things.
Laveen ma'am, I'm giving you 6.5 for this.
Okay, ma'am.
Reason being that, just a second, please. Reason being that you were merging present and past. Like, obviously, this entire had to be in the past only, you know.
Right, ma'am.
And I know that you know it already. But
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was busy with doing my writing. So when
I
you
know,
said
I
everything is
could
finished,
make out, dear. I could make out.
yeah.
So because it had to be in past and you were sharing in present, which is the one big major mistake, because this grammatic error was coming in almost every sentence, no?
Okay.
है ना? तो इस करके बैंड्स लो हैं, अदरवाइज कंटेंट वाइज इट वाज सो फुलफिलिंग. अगर आप इसको कवर अप कर लेते, किया होता कवर अप, तो आई कुड हैव इजीली गिवन यू 7.5 to 8.
Okay, ma'am. I will
आप
try
देखो
to
कि
improve this.
ग्रामेटिक एरर के करके या प्रोनाउंसिएशन के करके, प्रोनाउंसिएशन तो बिल्कुल करेक्ट था आपका, कुछ दिक्कत नहीं थी, पर ग्रामेटिक एरर के करके हर लाइन में गलती होने के करके बैंड्स ऑब्वियसली डाउन जाएंगे, है ना. वी हैव टू बी
Right.
वेरी केयरफुल. जब भी इट्स फॉर
Okay,
एवरीबॉडी,
ma'am. I'll take
जब
it.
भी आप क्यू कार्ड देखते हैं, अगर ये क्वेश्चन होता डिस्क्राइब अ जर्नी विच यू विश टू गो ऑन, दिस मीन्स कि आपका वो फ्यूचर में प्लान होता है ना. अभी यहाँ पे वेंट है तो सेकंड फॉर्म ऑलरेडी दिया है, इसका मतलब हम सारे का सारा पास्ट में लिखेंगे. जब भी आप क्यू कार्ड अपना अटेम्प्ट करेंगे तो वो आपको हिंट्स लिखने के लिए एक छोटा शीट देंगे, आप उस पर अपने हिंट्स लिखिए, बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स में कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिख लीजिए कि ये अगर पास्ट है तो पास्ट रेफरेंस आएगा, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब आप यूज करेंगे, अगर प्रेजेंट है तो फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब या एस यूज होगा, है ना. दिस जस्ट I am very well aware that all of you are good enough with grammar, but वहां पे बहुत टेंशन रहता है, स्ट्रेस रहता है, to just ward it off, keep all these things in mind. Otherwise it was fine, it was good one. So shall we begin up with the reading now? Ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As in for everyone here who has joined new with me, do you guys need any reading tips, or shall we straight away begin with reading? Pratap sir, Harjinder ma'am, Rimpi ma'am, do you guys need any tips for reading, or shall we just straight away begin? Because tips तो same ही रहते हैं, but अगर कुछ भी आपको कहीं भी query है तो you can ask me.
No need, ma'am.
No need.
No need, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Then all the best. This is the first task for the day. Please check whether you guys can see it properly. Are you able to see till last line?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay, all the best. Once you guys are done, please let me know about it.
Ma'am, it's done.
Everyone's done.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I share the answers? Please check your answers.
My second is incorrect.
Okay, rest everything's good.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about others?
Ma'am, first, second, or last?
Yes, may I please know, apart from second, any other which is incorrect so that we may get back?
Ma'am, first, second, and last.
First, second, and last. All right, let's check. We have to check into true, false, not given. First is, it is best to take your time to find the right place to live. अब ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन में हमारा क्रोनोलॉजिकली ही जाएगा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. मतलब हमें ये नहीं देखना है कि फर्स्ट सेंटेंस का जो अगर हम ट्रू फॉल्स देखेंगे तो वो हम लास्ट 2 पैराग्राफ्स में ढूंढे. अगर हम वो फर्स्ट 2 पैराग्राफ्स में ढूंढते हैं तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली विल फाइंड आवर आंसर. All we have to hit into the correct keyword. It is best to take your time to find the right place to live. Okay, finding student accommodation on campus or off.
Ma'am, it's written very clearly on the first paragraph in last line. So choose carefully.
So choose carefully. If you take accommodation in an expensive area or if you move into a flat where you have nothing in common with the other people, you might find you want to move again after a few months. So choose carefully. So it is best to take your time. Take your time means to take your decision coolly without in a rush. आराम से अपना decision लो to find a right place to live. So it's true. Is it fine dear? Second is, universities tend to give first year students priority to rent halls of residence. So over here, the first paragraph में तो इसका हमें कुछ नहीं मिला है. Let's check in the second paragraph. How should you go about finding good accommodation? If places in halls of residence are available, then it's probably wise to take up one of them. The number of rooms available varies. The reading, which has average provision, gives 48% of students and nearly all first year chance of living in hall. आपने क्या लिखा था? True.
Ma'am, I've written true, but the answer is not given.
Not given because it's actually not given that they tend to give first year student priority to rent halls of residence. The number of rooms available varies. Reading, which has average provision, gives 48% of the students and nearly all first years the chance of living in hall, not in the
But ma'am,
hall of residence.
in this line, it is saying na, and nearly
but then
all
halls
first
of
year.
residence नहीं है ना? Living in hall and to rent halls of residence. Got that? Okay.
So ma'am, what is the difference?
There might be a difference. That's why, no. See,
Okay.
I'm not saying that. Can you see this entire exact accurate phrase, halls of residence anywhere?
No, ma'am, no halls of residence is there.
Where? Where could you find halls of residence? Chance
Nowhere.
of living in a hall, है ना? तो दिया ही नहीं है तो नहीं दिया है ना, not given आएगा.
Okay.
देखो छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जहां वो आपको क्विज करेंगे जहां पे वो आपको टीज करेंगे। अब उन्होंने हॉल्स दिया है ना, लिविंग इन हॉल दिया है, लेकिन हॉल्स ऑफ रेजिडेंस तो नहीं दिया।
So it is just to confuse us.
एग्जैक्टली
Okay. So we have to go with the words only.
यू आर राइट।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
देखो यहाँ पे ना उन्होंने सेकंड पैराग्राफ फर्स्ट लाइन में दिया है, इफ प्लेसेस इन हॉल्स ऑफ रेजिडेंस आर अवेलेबल देन इट्स प्रोबेबली वाइज टू टेक अप वन ऑफ देम, है ना, बट देते हैं ऐसा तो नहीं दिया।
Right.
All right, so let's check which is the next one that we need to check on to. First, second, and third. Seventh. All right, students should avoid living near noisy neighbors. Let's check in the last paragraph. Think also about your own ability to make noise. Just a second. I'm having a bit of glitch here. Just a second, just a moment. I can't read this entire properly. Yes. So students should avoid living near noisy neighbors. अगर हम इसे last paragraph में देखते हैं तो I think we'll find our answer. आपका है think also about your own ability to make noise. Your own ability to make noise because you're young, you might be chirpy, you might be liking to hear loud music, so you might be noisy. You are likely to have parties and probably your music collection doesn't contain much in the way of piano sonatas. Find out if the people on the next floor seem like to appreciate your taste in music and don't live next to an old people's home where people like their peace and quiet. So यहाँ पे ये दिया है कि आप किस तरह के नेबर्स के साथ एडजस्ट कर पाओगे, पर ये नहीं दिया है that students should avoid living near noisy neighbors. Noisy neighbors नहीं, noisy students का जिक्र हुआ है, यहाँ noisy neighbors का कहीं रेफरेंस नहीं दिया है. Can you see any reference of noisy neighbors here? I don't think I can see any reference of noisy neighbors. यहाँ पे आपके noisy होने का reference दिया है कि student noisy हो सकता है, तो उसको क्या क्या exactly चाहिए, लेकिन neighbor noisy हो सकता है, उसको avoid करो, ऐसा कहीं नहीं दिया, तो क्योंकि दिया नहीं है इसलिए not given.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? So shall we switch to the next paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's check this next one. Finish off and let me know about it. I want to make one reference here. यहाँ पे है look at the festival reviews A to F. I know maximum of you might be knowing it, but just to avoid any confusion, यहाँ पे आप A to F में से कोई भी अल्फाबेट रिपीट कर सकते हैं. You are allowed. जैसे हो सकता है कि कोई अल्फाबेट आए ही ना. Let me just pick up a random D हो सकता है आए ही ना कहीं पे, है ना? और हो सकता है E जो है वो 2 बार आ जाए या 3 बार आ जाए. So don't please
Right.
feel uncomfortable about it. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
All of you are done? Gurpratap sir, Harjinder ma'am, Loveleen ma'am, Rimpi ma'am, Smriti ma'am, you guys are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, yes,
Done.
ma'am.
All right. Kindly check your answers.
And my 11th is incorrect.
Okay. What about the rest of you?
Rest are okay.
All correct.
Ma'am, 13.
13th, 11th, 13th. Anything else? Anybody? Harjinder sir? Harjinder ma'am, I'm sorry. Gurpratap sir?
No, ma'am. No issue.
Great. So we have to check on to 11th. 11th, first of all, let's take 11th. It's popular with many different types of people. What had you written in this?
D.
Ma'am, I've written B.
B. Why so? What made you write B?
Ma'am, because it is written there, it's child friendly. And the beaches are there, families are there.
So that means that it's popular with many different type of people. Okay, so if we check in D, which is actually the original answer, the average festival goers are late teens celebrating exam results or artsy older folk with young families. Who needs 20 people when the atmosphere is this good? So basically, this says that it has something for everyone, like for teens, for 20 people, for older folks, you know, different kind of people, different types of people. यहाँ पे जो आप कह रहे हो चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली है या फिर फैमिली आती है तो वो एक ही जॉनरा को हम कंसिडर करेंगे ना विल टॉक अबाउट वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ फैमिलीज ओनली है ना लेकिन
Okay.
यहाँ उन्होंने कहा है इट्स पॉपुलर विद मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल
Hmm.
है ना
Right.
इसलिए इट्स डी other than 11th it's 13th that we need to check on to.
Ma'am, doubt is clear. No doubt.
Okay, fine. Shall we switch to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
13.
Okay, let's check.
मैम
Yes, dear.
13 एक्सप्लेन करना है
हाँ जी, जरूर जरूर. 13th है it's a good place to discover new artists from abroad. आपने क्या लिखा है इसका आंसर?
मैम मैं कंफ्यूजन थी डी और
आपने
सी
अच्छा राइट अगर हम डी या सी लिखते हैं तो यहाँ पे न्यू आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम अब्रॉड कहाँ पे आ रहा है डी में या सी में आ रहा है कहीं पे न्यू आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम अब्रॉड आउटडोर थिएटर की बात हो रही है डी में एंड अ लाउड डिस्को इन द वुड लेकिन न्यू आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम अब्रॉड की कहीं बात नहीं हुई अगर हम सी देखते हैं तो मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग लाइनअप्स ऑफ बैंड्स सिर्फ यही है मेरे ख्याल में कहीं आर्टिस्ट की बात नहीं हो रही है अगर हम ई देखते हैं each year some Europe's shiniest new bands set sail for the beaches of Brighton with the intention of gaining new fans so it's a good place to discover new artists from abroad mention हुआ यहाँ पे ई में फर्स्ट लाइन में मेंशन हो गया right dear
ओके मैम
okay let's check on to this one please finish off and let me know
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Yes, are you guys done?
Yes, ma'am.
Please check your answers. Yes, how many are correct?
All correct.
Ma'am, all correct was 15.
For everybody?
Dana.
Yes, ma'am, all correct.
Ma'am, first one.
15th, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What had you written in 15th?
Ma'am, C.
Which is recommended as a good place for a student from abroad? The answer is A, B. You had written C. Which center is recommended as a good place for students from abroad? Why did you write C for this? The center is served by regular bus routes and has plenty of car parking space. कहाँ लिखा है कि it's a good place for students from abroad?
It also houses the working travel agencies, ma'am, जहाँ से मैं गाड़ी-
Okay. With its welcoming community atmosphere, Montague Road is a perfect setting for many of the college's international students.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
So
Ma'am, can
international
you please
students- yes, dear.
explain the 16th one again? Because it is stating that nursing are held, subjects such as nursing are held, and in C it is stating that Cent Management Health and Social Care Provision.
16th is which center is where
Yes.
courses related to subjects such as nursing are held.
So it is C, no?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Okay,
what
okay.
is
I was
the
just confused.
Mhm.
The Center for Student with the Special Needs.
Wide-ranging selection of courses, including much of college versus Saint Management's health and social care provision. So, center where courses related to the subjects such as nursing are held. आपने क्या इसमें what did you write down this as an answer? B. Lavleen ma'am.
I have written C only, but I was confused, like, because I
It's
thought I have
about the
written.
management, health, and social care provision, na? Which
Yes,
is
ma'am, I have written
linked.
C only,
Okay.
but I just got confused. I was looking after 15th, but I said 16th.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Rest is okay, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Please check this one. Yes, dear. Are you guys done?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I share the answers, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please check your answers. Yes, dear. So how many are correct?
Mine is only first and last is correct.
Okay. Why so? What happened?
I don't know.
Okay. Where did you falter? What about the others? Sir, ma'am?
24 and 25.
Ma'am, 22 and 27 is wrong.
22nd and 27th is wrong. Loveleen ma'am, आपका यही correct है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. चलिए, let's check. फिर तो सारे ही check करने पड़ेंगे. Quickly we'll check because I have another class on the move. 22nd, at the dash. सबसे पहले no more than 3 words. So 3 words से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. So at the dash, college employees are available to get advice at all times. अभी answers हमारे chronologically आएंगे तो ये first blank का answer मैं first और second paragraph में expect कर रही हूँ. Right? तो अगर हम फर्स्ट आंसर देखते हैं एट द डैश कॉलेज एम्प्लॉइज आर अवेलेबल टू गिव एडवाइस ऑल टाइम. ऑल राइट.
Ma'am, in the last
आप
line is
learning-
correct.
हाँ जी, अगर आप लर्निंग सेंटर्स वाला पैराग्राफ देखते हैं तो
In last
not
line it is there.
जी नॉट apparently सारा स्ट्रेट अवे यही नहीं लिखा उन्होंने कॉलेज एम्प्लॉइज आर अवेलेबल ऐसा नहीं लिखा है. पर अगर आप देखते हैं तो आवर स्टाफ आर ऑलवेज ऑन हैंड टू हेल्प. दिस मीन्स दैट दे आर अवेलेबल ऑल द टाइम. सो पैराफ्रेजिंग किया है. So at the learning centers, college employees are available to give advice at all times. Is this okay, dear? Checking on 23rd, students should get in touch with the people who run the dash to find out about the student union. अब student union में ही approx हम इसका answer ढूंढेंगे क्योंकि student union की बात हो रही है. The college has an active student union which organizes and helps to fund a wide range of activities, represents college opinion to the college management, and offers support and advice. Contact the youth work team leaders to see the student guide for more information. So students should get in touch with the people who run the youth work team. है ना, youth work team leaders को अब leaders अगर हम लिखते हैं तो ये 4 words हो जाएंगे. Work team leaders लिखते हैं who run the work team leaders तो वो भी incorrect है because वो specify नहीं कर रहा है. Youth work team is the correct answer that will fit here because 3 words से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता. So youth work team will be the correct answer over here. Is this okay, Loveleen ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Checking on 24th.
I've written student union. I have written the heading. I got this answer, but I have written the heading student union.
Who run the student union to find out about the student union.
This is wrong.
वो सेंटेंस ही नहीं बना ना. तो ये जरूर देखेंगे जहां पे हमें इजी ट्रैप मिलता है ना उसको पूरा पढ़ के जरूर देखो कि अगर ये इतना इजीली मिल रहा है तो कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है. All right. For people who are interested in discussions dash are organized. अब जो लोग डिस्कशन में इंटरेस्टेड है उनके लिए क्या ऑर्गेनाइज कराया जा सकता है आपके अकॉर्डिंगली? आपने क्या लिखा है? Loveleen ma'am, what have you written for 24th?
Ma'am, nothing.
Nothing.
I didn't got anything.
You didn't get any, okay. Check in the youth and community team. The youth Saint community team, this team work with students to organize activities to make your time and interesting. Some activities complement courses, okay. A program of activities run throughout the year: music, comedy, debates, karaoke, cabaret, yoga and self defense. अभी ये सारी activities हैं जो डेक्लेमेशन से रिलेट करती है, डिस्कशन से रिलेट करती है, उनमें से कौन सी एक्टिविटी है जो ऑर्गेनाइज कराई जा सकती है? ट्रिप्स एंड डिजर्ट्स हो सकता है? नहीं. सिंगिंग? नहीं. म्यूजिक, कॉमेडी? नो. डिबेट्स, करोके, कैबरे, योगा, सेल्फ डिफेंस, क्या हो सकता है? हैज टू बी डिबेट्स ना?
Yes.
All right, let's check the
Right.
next one. Yeah, let's check the next one. You can visit the dash to find out about the youth and community team activities. Community and youth and community team activities, इसका मतलब इसी पैराग्राफ में कहीं इसका आंसर होना चाहिए. The community team, this team works with students to organize activities to make your time, okay. Look out for the details on college notice board. आपने क्या लिखा आंसर इसका?
मैम ये कंफ्यूजन थी नोटिस बोर्ड और स्टूडेंट कॉमन रूम में.
Okay, so you can visit हम notice board पे we read normally, we don't visit notice board, we visit common room, student common room, है ना? Visit लिखा है
Right.
ना, तो
Students'
visit हम
common
किसी
room.
जगह को करेंगे.
Drop
Notice
into the students' common
बोर्ड
room.
पे हम रीड करते हैं. Go read on the notice board, हम यही कहते हैं ना, हम नहीं कहते हैं
But
don't.
it's not very clear. It's very confusing.
I know, but
This is the toughest one, which I like.
okay. Let's check 26. Paper and pens can be bought in dash at the two of the centers.
Ever hand.
Paper and pen can be bought from where? At College Center offer a selection of refreshments. Graham Park and Russell Lane provides freshly cooked meals. Graham Park
it's
and Russell
written
Lane also
stick
have
to
Poppins
confectionery.
shop, which sells a range of items from stationery and confectionery. The Poppins shop is
Right.
generally like all kind of stuff is available out there. So paper and pen can be bought in
Poppins
Poppins
shop.
shop at two of the centers. दोनों centers का reference भी दिया ही है उन्होंने. Last one is students wishing to use the fitness room must do dash. अभी fitness room की बात है तो sports की बात देखते हैं. You can enjoy the use of superb sport facilities at a Graham Park Center. There are plenty of arranged activities and there are drop-in times. You have facility according to the convenience. Okay.
And there.
All right, let's see.
And
Fitness room की
ना
बात हो रही
last
है तो
line.
fitness या fitness rooms को ही देखते हैं. Let's check in the fitness room only. The fitness room is well equipped with a variety of different resistance and cardiovascular machines to suit most needs. Students wishing to use the equipment must complete an induction course. So students wishing to use the fitness room must do what? Must do an induction course. All right. Is this okay, dear?
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
मैम may leave me, I have work at home.
Yes, Rimpi ma'am, even I'm going to switch off the class because I have another class in the row. So all the best, lovely ma'am. Take care and do let me know about your exam.
Thank you
once
so
you're
much,
through with
ma'am.
that. Right? Lovely ma'am is
Ma'am,
going to have her exam tomorrow. Yes, dear.
we'll be having a class at this time, so I will definitely join for a minute.
Okay, dear. All right, dear. Bye then.
Ma'am, taking class tomorrow at the same time.
You have exam tomorrow or day after?
It's tomorrow, but I just want to give you a feedback if I can be
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the club
please go. Please do come at
minute.
7. Please do visit at 7. With the same link, you can pick up and you may join us. We'll love
Okay,
to
ma'am. Thank you
have
so
the
much,
feedback for sure.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, dear. And in case
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
you still have a query, just drop in your content. I'll check and I'll share the feedback, right?
Yes, ma'am. And I have sent one task too also. No? So whenever you get time to just check.
Definitely. I'll see through.
Sure.
Yeah. Bye. All the best. Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye. Good night.
God bless. Good
Thank-
night. Good night, everybody. God bless. See you.
Good night.
See you at the same time tomorrow. Bye.
Okay.